Hello guys, welcome to Entrepreneurship Digest, and today we're going to be talking about how to use SEO to enhance your business and put it out there. We're going to be looking at different ways that you can advertise for free, and ways that you can really help in terms of making sure that your blog posts go a long way. Okay, we're going to be using Semrush here to basically look for keywords that we need that's going to help us to get the results that we want. It's semrush.com, and you put in counseling, and it's going to give you different options, right? You can see a CPC for Semrush is about $7.92. That's high. And then you go underneath, you can click on it, and it's going to show you all the different keywords. For instance, you have to understand that right here it's called the keyword difficulty. So it basically ranks all the different websites, and it gives them the ranking between 10 or 100 all the way to 1. So 1 to 100, and it's going to show you how difficult of a keyword that is. So it basically helps you to determine what keywords to rank for, because you have to remember that if you're still new, like if you have a new website, a new domain, and you're building, it's always a good idea to go for keywords that are not so competitive. So, and I'll show you what I mean. So when you look at this right here, it tells you like how, what the keyword difficulty ranking is, and this one here is 29, and you can see it's got that green thing just right by it. So it tells you that it's not so competitive, that you can actually rank for that keyword. All right, so when you see that, you could also try to basically find only keywords that you think you can rank for, and it's very easy to do. Just finding something that would not be too much, right? So in this case, we found a few ones right there. So you could also do this. You could go here. For instance, you could go here where it says the key D, so that's keyword difficulty, and you can click on that. See, when you click on it, it's going to take it to like the most difficult, and then if you come back, it's going to reduce it. But what I always like to do, I always tell you what I like to do here. I like to go here, right here where it says KD, and I'd like to just show you from here. I'll start over so that you can see the process. It's an easier way to do it, so to find the keywords that you can rank for. So all right, so we go here, and then you click counseling, for instance. Oh, by the way, this is also a paid service, but you can get like a week free, 1 week free, just to try it out. So you go here, you click on view all, and when you do that, what you want to do here is you go to key D, so that keyword difficulty, you want to choose very easy. You just click on that. So what it's going to do is that it's going to bring out all the different keywords that are very easy to rank for. So you see, in this case, we have, let's see over 66 pages of results. And that doesn't mean you're going to rank for all of them, but you can choose to see what you can work on. And what another thing I like to do is I like to look at the CPC. So CPC basically is like, it's going to tell you how much advertisers are willing to pay